In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Moldova using the payment method cash. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click country and look for Moldova. But the easiest way to find Moldova is to click the search and type in Moldova. Under Moldova, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for cash, which is under banks transfer. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Moldova that accepts cash. The company that accepts cash in Moldova is Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and Muslim Local Trader. You can click the green button to buy Bitcoin, or you can click the blue button to read review.